We just opened Escrow. Now we're in business and this is exciting, isn't it? But don't get too excited just yet. We're now in the contingency period. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate.
So what is a contingency? A contingency in an offer is when a buyer and seller have an accepted offer, but the final sale is contingent upon certain criteria being met. Contingencies typically fall into three major categories: inspections, appraisals, and loan approval. During the contingency period, the buyers have the time to do their due diligence and learn the ins and outs of the property. Typical inspections can include a general home inspection, a pest inspection, a roof inspection. If there's a pool, then a pool inspection, and sometimes maybe a sewer inspection.
Lenders usually require an appraisal during this time, and full loan approval will be determined. The purchase contract is written with these contingencies in place and the time frame on which they are due. Typically, a contingency period can be 7 to 17 days depending on what was negotiated between the buyer and the seller.
Also, during these time frames, the buyer can back out of the purchase if they're not happy with what they discover on any of the reports, disclosures, or inspections. Or the buyer could ask for repairs to be done or a credit from the seller in lieu of repairs. We try to avoid these scenarios by negotiating agreeable terms for both parties.
Also, if for some reason the buyer is not able to qualify for the loan, or if the home doesn't appraise, the buyer can also back out. As a seller, it is important to understand that if a home does not appraise for the contractual amount, the lender will only loan on the appraised value. So if this happens, the buyer either has to come up with the difference in the down payment, or the buyer can get a more expensive type of loan, or the buyer might try to negotiate a new purchase price.
So we always advise our clients not to start packing their bags until all of the contingencies have been removed. Once they are removed, we'll have a little relief and assurance that the home is actually going to close escrow on time and you should be moving soon. Feel free to contact us. With more than 40 years experience, we would love to help make your real estate dreams a reality. We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. We love guiding you home, and we'll see you in the next video.